Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the Gala Model Question Paper solution of Social Science, paper number 5, section B. So we'll see the question answers. 17th one is state our fundamental duties as laid down in the Constitution for the preservation and conservation of heritage. So Article 51A of the Constitution of India lays down the fundamental duties of the citizen. Items 6, 7, and 9 in Article 51A prescribe the duties related to the preservation of cultural heritage. These duties are as under: to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to safeguard public property, and to abjure violence. Now, or 17th one is what is heritage? Heritage means a valuable gift from our forefathers to us. Our generation passes on the same to the next generation. For example, son inherits the property as well as goodwill left behind by his father. 18th one, the relationship of human life has been connected with the tree and the forest since the beginning. Explain or describe woodwork as a form of art in India. Man is acquainted with the uses of wood from the Stone Age period, when wood was used to make fire in the caves for cooking food and warmth. Later on, wood was used to build houses and for other types of construction work, to make weapons and to make boats. Wood was also used to make idols of deities and toys for children. Wooden pillars, windows, and doors, thrones, chariots, grills were the forms of woodwork in the ancient and medieval period. The art of wood carving also developed during this period. In present times, woodwork is found in the form of furniture. The swings and toys of Idar and the wood furniture of Sankheda in Gujarat are famous. 19th one, give information about the Khajuraho temples. The Khajuraho temples are situated at village Khajuraho at Chhattarpur district in Madhya Pradesh. The work of about 80 temples was commissioned between 905 to 1050 by the rulers of the Chandela Rajput dynasty. Of these 80 temples, 25 have been survived. These temples are exquisite specimens of Nagar style of architecture. These temples have been built in the west, the east, and south directions. Most of these temples are Shivite, some are Vaishnavite, and some are Jain. However, their structure and sculpture is more or less similar. Of these temples, the temple of Yoginis is the best example of ornamental architecture. The art of sculpture and the art of Vastu of Khajuraho temple leaves visitors spellbound. It is listed as one of the World Heritage Sites. Now, 19th exercise question is give information about Ajanta caves. The famous Ajanta caves are situated in Maharashtra's Aurangabad district near the village Ajanta. The famous artwork of sculpture and wall painting was rediscovered by Captain John Smith in 1819. Its 29 caves are divided into caves based on wall paintings and caves based on sculpture. The caves numbered as 1, 2, 10, 16, and 17 have beautiful wall paintings on themes in the Buddhist religion. The caves numbered 9, 10, 19, 26, and 29 are chaityas, and the rest are the viharas. The Ajanta caves are an excellent specimen of the early Buddhist Vastu paintings and sculpture and have earned a place of pride for India. Human interference and impact of time have greatly damaged them. These artworks are famous all over the world and listed in the World Heritage Sites. 20th one. Give information about the cathedrals, that is, churches of Goa. Goa was conquered by the Portuguese in 1509 AD. During the Portuguese rule, the missionaries came from Portugal to spread this Christian religion in this part of India. For this purpose, many churches were built in Goa. Saint Francis Xavier had made Old Goa his headquarters. After his death, the mortal remains have been preserved in a glass coffin. The most spectacular amongst the cathedrals were the Basilica of Bom Jesus and Basilica of God Jesus. These churches have been enlisted in the World Heritage Sites. Now, 20th one exercise question. Write a short note on Red Fort of Delhi. Red Fort of Delhi was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1638 AD. Red stone was used to build this Mughal style architecture. It has two huge entrances with beautiful arcs and two domes. Latest devices for the protection of the fort were installed. Its main structures include Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Rang Mahal, Sheesh Mahal, Moti Masjid, Meena Bazar, Mughal Gardens, and Lahore Gate. Peacock Throne, Mayurasan, installed in Diwane Khas, was decorated with an amalgamation of gold and silver and embedded with precious stones. This exquisite creation was taken to Iran by Nadir Shah in 1738. Indian flag is hoisted on Red Fort on 15th August every year. Red Fort is an outstanding building among the Mughal architecture. 21st. What precautions should be taken while repairing or maintaining historical monuments? Over a period of time, historical monuments become fragile. The following care should be taken while undertaking repairs and maintenance work to ensure that the original shape, size, color, and other conditions are not disturbed. To make use of scientific knowledge, modern technology, and use of the chemicals approved by the Department of Archaeology, no unauthorized repair or maintenance work should be allowed. 22nd. Where were the tigers found in Gujarat earlier? The tigers were found earlier in the forests of Idar, Ambaji, Panchmahal, and Dangs. Now, or 22nd one, where do the sea turtles come to lay their eggs in India? The sea turtles come to the sandy sea coast of Odisha and Gujarat to lay their eggs in India. 23rd one, explain the distribution of irrigated areas in India. Coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh, delta regions of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna rivers, Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh are densely irrigated area of India. After independence, the irrigated area in India has increased 4 times. Today about 850 lakh hectares land is under irrigation in India, which is about 38% of the net sown area. The distribution of irrigated area in India is very uneven. The distribution is uneven in the states also. The proportion of irrigated area in Mizoram is hardly 7.3%, while it is 90.8% in Punjab. With reference to net sown area, the proportion of the irrigated area is very uneven. More than 40% of the total area cultivated in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Tamil Nadu, and Manipur is under irrigation. Now, 23rd one exercise question is, give information about the water resources in India. There are mainly three types of water resources in India: rainwater, surface water, and groundwater. First one, rainwater. Rain is the main source of the water on the earth. Rivers, lakes, streams, and wells are minor resources. All these sources are dependent on rainwater. Second one is surface water. It is found in rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, sea, and reservoirs. Here, the rivers are the main sources of surface water. Third one is groundwater. The water which is absorbed by the surface and is collected in the substrata is called groundwater. The groundwater is unlimited. It is collected in about 42% of the area in the plains of North India. The volume of groundwater is less there because of peninsular plateau and mountains. It is most used for irrigation. Now, 24th one is differentiate between natural gas and biogas. Natural gas is the gas which is separated from mineral oil in natural way, and biogas is obtained by decomposing the dung with the help of bacteria. Natural gas is a conventional energy source and biogas is a non-conventional energy source. After natural gas is exhausted, it cannot be renewed, and after biogas is exhausted, it can be renewed. Natural gas production units are very large and require an investment of crores of rupees, and biogas production units are smaller and require less capital investment. Natural gas is used on commercial basis. Biogas is used on non-commercial basis. Natural gas is used for electricity generation, chemical fertilizers, to run vehicles and factories, and as domestic fuel. And biogas is mainly used as domestic fuel. Now, our 24th one is mention the characteristics and uses of copper. So, the characteristics of copper are copper is malleable metal and any shape can be made out of it. Copper is the best conductor of electricity. Copper mixes easily with other metals and forms alloys. It forms brass from when mixed with zinc and is it forms bell metal when mixed with tin. Uses of copper are it is used in making electric wire, electric equipments, radio, telephone, television, refrigerator, air conditioner, etc. Copper is used in making utensils, decoration pieces, coins, printing molds, colored glass, insecticides, explosives, etc. 25th one. What is environmental degradation? The phenomena of decreasing quality of environment because of sand, water and air pollution caused by natural factors like earthquake, volcanic eruption, forest fire, landslide, flood, cyclone, tsunami, etc. and by man-made factors is called environmental degradation. Now, our 25th one is what is meant by industrial pollutants. Various harmful gases generated due to industries, smoke, non oozing, and solid floating matter pollute air, water, and land, and large and obsolete machines produce undesired noise. All this is known as industrial pollution. 26. Which section of the society is known as scheduled tribes? Those tribal communities which lived in isolation in the remote, inaccessible areas as forest and hilly terrain, cut off from the mainstream society, undertaking primitive professions, living in poverty and utter backwardness are known as scheduled tribes. And here we come to the end of section B. I hope you have understood the complete section. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.